Chapter 2: Components of Computers. Introduction. Computer, being a versatile machine, can process different types of data. So to work with these data types, we need different types of devices which can help us to enter such data types in the computer and to receive their outputs as well. In this chapter, we will cover many such devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, printer, speaker, etc. that can be used with the computer. Computer is a data processing machine and it needs users' instructions to perform any task. After processing the raw facts called data, it produces useful information for the user. But to give data and instructions to the computer and to get useful information, different types of input and output devices are connected with the computer. Computer processes data according to the given set of instructions and then gives the actual desired output. Computer performs three basic functions: input, processing, and output. It is a combination of input devices, output devices, processing, and storage devices. The computer system works with the help of hardware and software. Hardware. Hardware is the part of a computer which we can see and touch, such as printer. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware how to operate. Input devices. An input device is a hardware device that is used to provide input, data or instructions to a computer so that it can be processed. Keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, etc. are some input devices. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and very popular input device which helps to feed input data to the computer. The keyboard is very much like a standard typewriter keyboard with a few additional keys. There are 104 buttons on the keyboard which are called keys, which can be divided into 4 groups: typing keys, function keys, navigation keys, and control keys. Did you know? The keyboard was invented 134 years ago by Christopher L. Scholz. Mouse. Mouse is an input device which is commonly found connected with the computers. It is a pointing device that moves the cursor on the screen and used to perform one or more actions. Did you know? Nowadays people mostly use optical mouse and wireless keyboard. A typical mouse has 2 buttons, that is left and right, and a scroll wheel in the center for scrolling. Light pen. Light pen is an input and pointing device. It looks like a pen. It is used to select a displayed menu item or draw pictures on the monitor screen. It is quite like the mouse but uses a light sensitive wand to move the pointer and select any object on the screen by pointing to the object. Light pen is only used with CRT monitors. It is mainly used by engineers, fashion designers, or architects. Scanner. Scanner is an input device which works like a photocopy machine. It is used to scan images from the source, then convert into a digital form and store into the computer. Mainly 3 types of scanners are available, such as flatbed scanner, sheet-fed scanner, and handheld scanner. Barcode scanner. It is used to scan the printed barcodes present on various products. It can be seen in shops, malls, etc. Joystick. Joystick is an input device primarily used with video games. It allows the user to move quickly in a computer game in all the 4 directions. Microphone. Microphone is an input device which is used to record sound or voice into the computer system. You can store voice data in the computer by speaking in front of this device. Apart from recording sound in computer, a microphone is used in many applications such as telephones, tape recorders, hearing aids, etc. Trackball. A trackball is similar to a mouse but is mounted in a fixed position. The user spins the ball with fingers to move the pointer on the screen. Trackball is mostly used in notebook or laptop computer instead of a mouse. Barcode reader. A barcode reader is a photoelectric scanner that reads the barcodes of a product. The barcode reader reads the barcode of a product and displays the information about the product. For example, the price of the product. It can be seen in shops, malls, etc. Digital camera. Digital cameras are used to capture images and record videos. Those images or videos are then transferred to a computer for storing or editing or printing, etc. When the camera is connected to the computer, mostly the digital camera images are in JPEG form. Processing devices. Processing devices are the components responsible for the processing of information within the computer system and store a lot of information. This includes devices such as the CPU, memory, and motherboard. CPU is called the brain of the computer. It is also known as system unit. It has three main components. 1. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. ALU does all the arithmetical calculations such as division, subtraction, multiplication, addition, and logical operations. 2. CU, control unit. CU handles all the operations. It works like a controller of processing. 3. MU, memory unit. MU is used to store information and data temporarily or permanently into the computer. Note: Central Processing Unit, CPU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU, Input, Control Unit, CU, Main Memory, Output, Secondary Storage Memory. Output devices. The devices which are used to display the results or information are called output devices. Monitor and printer are the commonly used output devices. Monitor. Monitor is the most common output device used to display information onto the computer. The output we get on a monitor is called the soft copy. Monitor looks like a television screen and is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. Pictures are displayed by using a large number of very small dots on screen called pixels. The number of pixels that a monitor can show on its screen is referred to as the resolution of the screen. Did you know? LCD uses very small amount of electricity as compared to CRT. There are two types of monitors. 1. CRT, cathode ray tube monitor. 2. LCD, liquid crystal display monitor. Both CRT and LCD monitors produce sharp images, but LCD have the advantage of being much thinner and consume less electricity. CRT are less expensive but consume more electricity. Printer. Printer is an output device used to give a printed output of the results that appears on the monitor screen on a paper. Printed output on paper is called hard copy. There are three types of printers as discussed below. Dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer works like a typewriter. It creates an impression on the paper by pressing the end of pins fixed in its print heads against an inked ribbon. This printer is noisy with a low print quality but least expensive. They are not so common nowadays. Important: Gary Starkweather invented the laser printer at Xerox in 1969. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printer prints by spraying tiny ink droplets on the paper. It can print in both color as well as black and white. The print quality of this printer is better than dot matrix printer and it prints without making any noise. Laser printer. In laser printer, laser beam technology is used to print the text or graphics on the paper. The speed of this printer is very fast and it gives out very fine quality prints. It is mostly used in publishing houses. It works like a photocopier. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to the music and sounds played by the computer. Normally, they come in a pair and have different shapes and sizes. They may be built into the system unit or connected with cables to CPU. Plotter. Plotter is an output device which provides a high quality of printed output on paper. It makes line drawings on paper using multicolored automated pens. We can get the print of a photograph, drawing, image stored in the computer by using a plotter. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to store data and instructions both temporarily and permanently in a computer. Without a storage device, a computer would not be able to run or even boot up. Computers have many types of data storage devices. Some of them are volatile, that is temporary, or non-volatile, that is permanent, storage devices. Memory. The physical devices which are used to store programs or data on a temporary or permanent basis is called memory. There are two types of memories in a computer. Primary memory. Primary memory stores data or information when the computer is in operation. It is also called main memory of the computer. The data stored in internal memory is erased when the computer is turned off. It is always easier to access data or programs from the internal memory as it is the fastest of all forms of computer data storage. There are two types of primary memory. A. RAM. B. ROM. Random access memory. Read-only memory. Note: memory, primary memory, RAM, ROM, secondary memory, hard disk, pen drive, CD or DVD, Blu-ray disc. Did you know DVD was invented and developed by Philips, Sony, Toshiba and Panasonic in 1995? Pen drive is also called flash drive. Secondary memory. Secondary memory stores data permanently unless it is erased. Some secondary memory storage are hard disk, DVD, pen drive, etc. In a nutshell, 1. Any data or instruction that is used by a computer is called input. 2. An input device is a hardware device that is used to input data or instructions to a computer so that it can be processed. 3. The devices which are used to display the results or information are called output devices. 4. Monitor and the printer are the commonly used output devices. 5. Keyboard is an input device which helps to input data to the computer. 6. The mouse is a pointing device that moves the cursor on the screen. It is used to point to a particular place on the screen and select in order to perform one or more actions. 7. Monitor looks like a television screen and is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. 8. Printer is an output device used to give a printed output of the results that appear on the monitor screen. 9. Speakers are used to listen to the music and sounds played by the computer. 10. Microphone is an input device which is used to record sound or voice into the computer system. 11. Scanner captures images from the source which are then converted into a digital form that can be stored on the disk. These images can be edited before they are printed. 12. A barcode reader is a photoelectric scanner that reads the barcodes of a product. 1.